don't want long sentences. Most sentences should be between 10 and 25 words. And that's because long sentences begin to get confusing. Our main point gets lost in them. And if you think about it, the whole point of writing is to get our point across to somebody. That's it. It's about communication. Long sentences are confusing because our main point gets lost in a sea of detail or fluff words and filler content. There are two main types of long sentences that you want to get rid of. So number one is where we've added a lot of fluff words or filler content that just doesn't need to be there. The easiest way to fix this is to read through your sentence, and if there are words that you can remove and your sentence still makes sense, then just remove them. The other type of long sentence is where we've added in too much detail. The best thing to do here is to break up that long sentence into 2 or more sentences instead of deleting words. Wherever you've put your comma is a great place to choose to break up your sentence, because it means you've already noticed in your own mind that there should be a break there. You're just increasing that break by putting in a full stop instead. Sometimes you might have to rephrase the sentence or add an extra word in to make it flow, but that's okay. The key here is just to reduce your sentence length down. Make it easier on your reader to understand.